Here we are today, YouTube. I wanted to show you guys the tomato plant that I have, and I wanted to teach you guys how to grow them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them in this one, and it's 1 foot like by 1, the tallness. There's also more over here. There's probably like about 11 in this one, and then there's like probably 8 down there, and then this one's, I also have this one, that one, and over there. And I also have more over here. That one. There's this one's right there, and that one. There's more down over here. There's those, right there, and here, and over there, and up here on the sides. And this also works for peppers. You can see all those peppers. So what you're gonna need is to buy this product, which is Miracle Grow. It works for tomatoes plants, and then also squash, peppers, cucumbers, and carrots. And also the other thing I put here was chicken manure, which has lots of source of vitamins for the plants. So for this one, just make a little funnel out of another cap of, well, another water bottle. It comes with this small spoon. It has 2, indoor and outdoor, which I'm gonna use the outdoor one. And it's 1 scoop per gallon. It's kind of a bit difficult doing that. Per gallon. So what you're gonna use is mixing it. You mix it, but you can't find the cap for this, I guess. Just mix it. So after mixing it, you pour it into a little jar. This is the one I use. So I just placed it in this glass thing, and it says about 4 cups or 2 pints. And then you just pour it there. I just use this one just to measure the amount I pour. But it also depends. You could start with a little light dose, probably just 1 pint, and then see how it works. And if it doesn't, well, it should be good enough with 1 pint. Just spread it all over. It's just to get the dirt moist. You're not gonna water the whole thing with this. It's just a bit of vitamins for each tomato plant. And then, so you pour this every 2 weeks, which is every 14 days. And also, when you use this, try to, well, keep it away from kids and all that, because then they're gonna think it's Kool-Aid or something, and they're gonna want to drink some of it or something, and you don't want that to happen. You don't want them to get poison of it, so you just spread it all over. This one right here, since I got 3 tomato plants, or 4, I put 4 of those here for each tomato plant. And it also works for the flowers down there. And just do this every 14 days. You should have them about this size, and they should produce lots of tomatoes. And this is all what I wanted to show you guys, how to care of them. And what we'll put some chicken manure. Probably the cow manure might work, but I prefer the chicken manure. Or unless if you guys like that organic stuff, just leave the chicken manure and don't put fertilizer, and that should work too. But I just put this fertilizer because I know organic is better, but if you go to the store, Walmart, and you buy products, if you're not really of that type of organic stuff, they're also more expensive, but we usually buy the cheapest tomatoes, which they're not organics, and this is the same product that you're gonna buy at Walmart, which it's not organic, or some other store, whatever store you guys go to. So there's gonna be some arguments of organic's better, but it is better, but you're buying the stuff at the grocery store, and it's not organic, which these are better than the ones from the store, because these ones are not sprayed with bugs protection, which over there they do that. They put fertilizer. It's not organic. And I wanted to show you guys, and that's why I think, if you're gonna grow them, if you don't mind of eating stuff that's not organic, then go ahead, put the fertilizer. But if you don't really care about it, we'll do it. But if you care, we'll grow them organic. That's my opinion. But thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.